Let me show you how to make an air fryer whole chicken with crispy golden skin and juicy meat inside. I will show you the seasoning I use, plus the time and temperature that work best for this air fryer roast chicken. To make a seasoning mix, add half tablespoon of mixed herbs, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to a small bowl. Stir it well until all the seasoning is mixed together nicely. Of course, you can use any seasoning you like for this chicken recipe. I am keeping it simple today, but you can change the flavors to suit what you and your family likes. Next, rub the seasoning mix all over the whole chicken, but keep a little bit in the bowl for later. We will brush that over the chicken after we flip it halfway through cooking. Make sure you get the seasoning over the top, the sides, and the legs so it is nicely coated. The size of the chicken I am using here is 3.9 pounds of whole chicken, which is about 1.8 kilograms. I have made this roast chicken recipe a few times now, so I know that this size fits in my 5-liter air fryer basket quite nicely. If your air fryer is around 5 liters too, a medium-sized chicken should fit in the basket just fine. There should still be a little space around the chicken so the air can move around it while it cooks. Also, make sure the chicken is not too large because you do not want to force the air fryer basket closed. Air fry the chicken at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 365 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, open the air fryer and carefully flip the chicken over. Brush the little bit of seasoning mix we saved earlier over the top, then cook the chicken for another 15 to 20 minutes until the skin looks golden and crispy and the chicken is fully cooked. This air fryer roast chicken comes out with crispy skin and soft, juicy meat inside. The seasoning is simple, but it still gives the chicken a nice flavor. It is easy to serve for dinner with potatoes, rice, salad, or whatever you already have. If you like cooking in your air fryer, check out these other easy air fryer recipes on my channel here. They are simple dinner ideas you can make without overthinking it, and I think you will really enjoy them. Check it out now!